them. Pero, I find that some girls, kahit sabihin mo, girl, kahit anong gawin mo promote, that's not gonna help. Because it's really your performance in the preliminaries that's going to matter. Pero minsan hindi pa rin nila, tanggap yun or hindi nila maintindihan until they're actually go through it. Na wala namang effect yung meet and greet. But if it helps, pero sila kasi yung mismo na okay lang sa kanila. Well, kailangan na lang natin tanggapin, fine. Mag-meet and greet kayo, but I hope that those who are partaking in that can also be conscientious. Because not all of these girls have the means. And again, pag may ganon, promote some others. So parang balance it out.